Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is going to be my first non-trained video. This is actually an unboxing video on something that I've wanted ever since I saw at the Ren Festival for the first time, for my first time being at the Ren Fest. And of course, it's a sword. So let's check it out. So this is me picking up a sword for the first time in my life at the Sabersmith booth at the Ren Fair. And I think this sword called out to me. I think that's why I picked it up and I had to get it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Bunch of packing peanuts. Quickest way to get rid of this is to and here she is. I felt like this blade has called to me ever since I saw it at the Ren Fest. The scabbard, wooden scabbard, feels really nice. And let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. This is a nice blade. See, it got the Sabersmith logo there on both sides. This is nice. It feels good in the hands. Great one-handed sword here. It feels good. And I think that's what I liked about it when I picked it up at the Ren Fair. This is awesome. And if you can tell, it has the gold finish on it, and it looks sick. It looks sick. I got a wall mount coming, and I cannot wait. But this is an actual battle-ready sword, so you can tell it is sharp. Oh yeah, this is sweet. And here's the wooden scabbard. Now this is made with 1075 high carbon steel. Total length of this guy is 27.5 inches, with the blade being 20. I mean, this thing looks awesome. This is nice. My first sword. I don't know. Sabersmith did a great job. They might have turned me into a sword guy as well. This is sweet. But thank y'all for watching. This is my review of the Sabersmith Xiphos. Also, this is a Xiphos. This is a Sabersmith Xiphos. So thank y'all for watching, and see you next time.